Today we want to demonstrate how we're gonna work with the SAS software. So we already have the files downloaded, imported into the SAS library. I mean the SAS directory, and we have the server file name ITM506 SAS data, and we can see the demographic here, and we have the snacking behavior and the snacks itself in the item 506 SAS directory. So to go forward, we're gonna drag this file into the IDE, Integrated Development Environment of the SAS. But then we need to create a new window, and we click this to do that. We hit SAS program F4. So we could double tap this or double click this, or we drag and drop the file into this window, and then we could start our analysis. So here we have it. We have the code, the log, the result, just the way it used to be. But the first thing we need to do, we want to change some of the features of the directory, so it will be saved permanently in the library for future analysis. So we hit that change, then we already have these in the library where we save our data, our files. So we click on that. Now we want to change the dataset name to what we're going to change it to. We're going to give it assignment 2. Yeah, so we'll name it as assignment 2. Yeah, assignment 2 demo. So it will be easy for us to know that this is for the demo. I mean, this is for the demographic. All right. So we hit save. When we're done doing that, we're going to hit the run. So everything is integrated. So let me widen the screen for her to see what we're doing there. So we have the result. This is the result of all that was imported from the directory. The code, from the look of it, it looks nice. There's no error, so everything is fine. The output, yeah, we have in total rows 52,167 variables. I mean rows, tuples or records. Then we have 37 columns where the field names are defined. So here on this left axis, we have all the field names on the field title. Going back to the log file. Okay, going back to the log file, we would want to know if everything is intact. So we have the real time 0.2 seconds, CPU time 0.06 seconds. Every information is there for us to understand what to do next. Yeah. So like we said, we have 37 variables: observation, the records, the rows, 52,167, and that is for the demographics for data stored in SPSS format. Thank you. All right. So where do I click stop? I can see it. Well, is it? Oh my goodness. I hope I'm recording this stuff.
Did it even record?